a little bit, Emari. You don't want to hit nobody's car. Pull it back a little more. Yeah. He's the one driving it right now.
Oh! I got that on camera.
Okay, slow down. Just make sure the truck still works. Do it still work?
Did you break it, Emari?
That much was sky high. Damn. Did it still work?
Yeah.
Okay, we still turning. Okay. I guess we were right.
Yeah.
Okay. Back up out of here. Wait, Emari, let's back up out of here first. That hurt. I know that hurt.
Yeah.
Damn, the damn top came off.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Do it.
Yeah.
Just don't do it.
Yeah, the truck gonna do it.
Yeah. Don't talk. Do it.
I know, I didn't even think it could do that shit without breaking. Wait. Wait a minute.
Hey, my car. Fast.
There we go. Wait a minute, Emari. You can't pull the trigger all the way back. You're gonna have the truck back. Okay? Pull the trigger. Pull it back. Get it. Right. I ain't letting him pull it all the way back.
He got you on restrictions, Emari.